Hello, my name is Crystal Comber, and in this lesson, Lesson 1, I'm going to give you an introduction to pin bars and how to effectively identify them. First, we must start with a disclaimer. Feel free to pause the video and read through the entire disclaimer, but when trading Nadex, IG, Forex, or binary options, as with any financial asset, there's a possibility that you may sustain a partial or total loss of your investment funds. As a result, it is advised that you should never invest with or trade upon money which you cannot afford to lose. Trading involves a real risk of loss, and past performance does not ensure future results. In today's lesson, I'm going to explain to you what pin bars are and how they can not only make your daily trading easier, but also break everything down into small lessons to make everything as easy as possible, whether you're an advanced or newbie trader. Using the pin bar price action strategy has proven to be a highly effective and profitable system when used correctly and only takes a daily look at your charts. One other really neat thing about trading with pin bars is that you can use any charting system that you prefer. So, what is a pin bar? The word pin bar is short for Pinocchio bar and is stating that the market is lying to us. During any given day, when a pin bar forms, it opened at a specific price and then ended almost back near the price from the direction it went throughout the day. If you pull up a daily chart, I'm sure you'll be able to spot a few pin bars right now. But let me show you an example. To the right, you'll see a bullish pin bar and a bearish pin bar. The bullish pin bar, okay, you'll see the body is here, the nose is the very small line, and the tail is very long. Same with here, the bearish pin bar. Here's your body, your small nose, and your tail. The tail is also referred to as a shadow, and I've heard it referred to as a few other things as well. But I just usually call it the tail or shadow because that's how I learned it originally. Some rules for accurate pin bars. 1, the pin bar tail, also known as the shadow, must be at least 3 times the length of the body. 2, the body must be on one end of the pin bar, not in the center. 3, price must close within the previous candle's low for a bullish pin bar. 4, price must close within the previous candle's high for a bearish pin bar. And when I say 3 and 4, if you look at the previous daily candle, and I'll show you an example here in just a minute, you'll look at that previous candle and the price of the pin bar, okay, must close within that previous price, okay? But like I said, I'll show you an example. I'm a better visual learner, and some are better with reading, some are better with a visual, and some choose video over image, okay? So I'm trying to hit all of those aspects to help everybody out, to help all of you out to learn this. 5, the tail or shadow must stick out below the previous candle's low for a bull pin bar. And 6, the tail or shadow must stick out above the previous candle's high for a bearish pin bar. Okay, or very close to. All right, but we're gonna look at that later on. And with each lesson, I'll go into more detail, and you guys can add on to what you learn. Okay, to really get a good feel. So we have 2 examples here. Here is a bullish pin bar. Okay, here's the previous candle. Now, price closed within this previous candle's low. Here's the low, all right? And see the body, that's where price closed, okay? Or it closed here, excuse me. But it closed within that previous low, all right? Now here, we have a bearish pin bar. Oops, right here. And here's the previous candle. Now, price closed right here within the previous candle's high right here. Okay, so those are both valid pin bars for what you have learned so far. Okay, and if you notice, actually, in both of these examples, the next day, price went down. Okay, now it ended up a little higher. You still could have gained some pips, but if you notice, price really follows those pin bars a lot of the time. Okay, just based on the pin bar itself. And here, price went up. Okay. But there's still a lot more to it. So don't just start trading just when you see a pin bar, all right? Using pin bars to take Forex price action trades. Now that you understand how to accurately identify a pin bar, I'd like you to spend this next week looking at your charts and identifying them correctly. I want you to look at that previous candle. I want to make sure that price closed within the previous candle's high or low. And really get that down. It's a very simple concept, but just spend each day taking a look at that and going back. Whatever charting system you use, it's very easy to identify that. There's many different ways to utilize pin bars in your trading. So next week, I'm going to start with a very simple method on using them. And with each new lesson that I send out every week, I will go more in depth and give my chart setups, etc., to help you understand and be trading them effectively on your own, okay? Like second nature. That's what I want all of you to be able to do. And by breaking it down very simple like this in each lesson and spending time so you